This serum is wow. It's something I love. I've used, I can't even count the number of bottles I've used. This serum is just something that everybody would want to use. Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. This is the review. If you are a returning subscriber and OG on this channel, hi, welcome back. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the channel now and join this awesome family. Do not forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post new videos. Today guys, I'll be sharing with you 5 serums to brighten your skin and give you that radiant and youthful look you want to achieve, right? Okay, without further ado, let's get into the video. The first on my list is the Egyptian whitening milk serum. This serum is wow. It's something I love. I've used, I can't even count the number of bottles I've used. This serum is just something that everybody would want to use, whether you're fair, you're dark, you can use it. It's something that is for all skin type and for all complexion. This serum is lightweight. It is a little bit greasy, it has a little bit of oil, but then it's not like very oily, and it sinks into the skin effortlessly. That is one of the things I love it for. It contains kojic acid, contains argan oil, which are great ingredients. The kojic acid in it would help deal with spots and hyperpigmentation, while the argan oil would help to give you that youthful and bright skin you always want to achieve. This serum is something I want you to try out. You will love it. Don't mind the whitening on the body of the serum. It says whitening serum, but guys, it doesn't whiten at all. It does not whiten at all. It will only brighten your skin and give you that youthful look you always want to achieve. And it is very affordable. It sells from 1,000 naira to I think 1,500 or so, depending on where you're getting it from. But this serum is something you would not want to miss out. The next I want to share with you guys is the Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. This serum is also one of the good serums out there. It contains vitamin C, which will help brighten your skin and give you that youthful look. It will help clear dark spots, hyperpigmentation on the long run, okay? But it is not a fast action serum. Yes, I must say that it's not a fast action serum. You should start seeing results from 2 weeks of usage, and that's fine. It is good enough for the time is actually good enough, okay? And it is lightweight, it is mild, it is not greasy. It is something you want to try out. The next serum I want to share with you guys is the Russian vitamin C serum. This serum is something I love because it is lightweight, it is not greasy, it sinks into the skin effortlessly, and it contains high hyaluronic acid, which helps to retain moisture in the skin, thereby giving you a very moisturized look and a very plump skin. I love moisturizing serums a lot. I love them a lot. The Russian vitamin C serum is something you also want to try out, and it is very affordable. It sells between 1,000 naira to I think 1,300 naira or 1,500 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. It is very affordable, and yet it does the work. The next on my list is the Good Molecules Discoloration Serum. This serum is something that would help brighten your skin. It will help deal with discoloration, hyperpigmentation, scars, mark, and spots. It would brighten your skin. No jokes, guys. It's going to brighten your skin, and it is going to give you that youthful look you always want to achieve, okay? But this serum is a bit pricey. It sells between the range of 15,000 naira to 18,000 naira. So if you are buoyant enough to you can go for this serum, it is worth the buy, okay? It can also be used in the morning and in the night, so don't be scared to use it in the morning because it is very safe. Last I'll be sharing with you guys is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. This serum is great because it will help give you a youthful look because of the presence of Retinol helps in giving you a very youthful look. And this serum I would recommend so much. I would recommend this serum so much for people who are, advanced people. You want to bring back your youth, like not kind of bring back your youth, but then you want to look very much youthful. Start using the CeraVe Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. Okay, it will help brighten your skin. It will deal with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, scars, and just like I said, it is great for anti-aging. It is great for anti-aging because of the presence of retinol. Thank you guys for sticking to this point. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.